Hi, welcome to the video series in operating system. Here we are discussing about the programming part. In this programming part, we are discussing popular programming languages including C, C++, Java, Python, and JavaScript have some synthetic components. And first one is each of these language has case sensitive single line comment in C, C++, Java, and JavaScript, and Python uses hashtag and multi-line comments using stars in C, C++, Java, and JavaScript, and in Python uses semicolons. And declaration of data types must be explicit in C, C++, and Java. Python and JavaScript both use dynamic typing. And here is the conditional exam statements. All languages use the operators if, else if, and else, but in Python it uses elif. It is the example for Java, C, C++, and JavaScript. This is the code we are using C and C++ and Java and JavaScript. Here is the example for Python for the conditional statement example. And here the loop statement. A block of code can be executed repeatedly using the loop construction in Python, JavaScript, C, C++, Java, and C. However, their syntax and style vary. Here is a thorough breakdown of each language for loop operations. C, C++, Java have this syntax of C, C++, Java, and JavaScript for initialization and condition and update. Here you can see the initialization. The loop starts with a single execution of this step. It is usually applied to initialize a control variable in a loop condition. This condition is assessed before the loop iterate. The loop continue if the condition evaluates true, if otherwise it ends. And update. This step is carried out following every loop iteration. As well it is modified the loop control variable. Here is the example code to execute. And in Python it has different the it is the syntax in Python for a variable in stop, start, stop, and step. Code to execute variable, the control variable for the loop that accepts values from the range. And range function proceeds the following numerical sequence. Start the sequence initial value and stop is final value. And step the increase the occurs between each number in the sequence. Here is that code execution in Python, and here are the basic data types and arrays and collections. In C, C++ uses pointer, char, double, float, and int are examples of the basic data types. And in Java contains object references, char, double, boolean, float, and int. In Python, more dynamic data types such as list and dictionaries are available along with int, float, string, and boolean. In JavaScript, number, which includes both integers and floats, string, boolean, undefined, and null, are examples of data types. In arrays and collections, we are in C, C++, while C, C++ introduced STL containers such as vector, map, and set. Arrays are fixed size sequence. In Java, provides wide range of classes including hash map, hash set, and arrays list, and addition to arrays. In Python, offers adaptable build in types such as set, tick, and tuple, and list. In JavaScript, supports objected and maps and has dynamically sized arrays. Third one is basic programming paradigm. Similars is procedural programming, object oriented programming, and functional programming. In procedural programming, in which functions and the order of activeness is the main focus, it is supposes some extent by C, C++, and Python. In object oriented programming, O is well supported by C++, Java, and Python thanks to characters like encapsulation, classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. In Sui, OOP ideas are not natively supported by they can be implemented while being mostly procedural. Since ECMS script 6, JavaScript has supported class-based OOPs in addition to prototype-based OOP, functional programming. In Java, brought capitalized like lamped expressions for functional programming. In functional programming, paradigms are supported by Python and JavaScript, which are after capitalized like lambda expressions, higher order functions, and first class functions. In functions, accepts has also been added to C++ with features like lambda expressions. Use functions or methods. Here functions and encapsulation. In function C++, to define a function, provide the function names, return type, and arguments list. Example